Yung video na yan, galing pa yan noong October 2022, nung kakabili lang namin itong shoe rack. Dati kasi, I keep my shoes sa underbed shoe organizer. Pero since we moved in, wala na rin kasi kaming underbed space. And since kailangan na namin mag-store ng twice the amount of shoes since dalawa na kami dito sa bahay, bumili na kami ng shoe rack. Tatlong bagay lang yung importante sa akin pagdating sa mga binibili ko sa bahay. And that's purpose, harmony, and efficiency. Purpose-wise, does this get the job done? Yes. Nakaka-store siya ng up to 16 pairs of women's size 9 shoes or 14 pairs ng men's size 10 shoes. Pero napansin ko lang na medyo bitin yung lalim ng shelf kapag medyo chunky yung mga shoes. Tulad nito, parang extended yung sole niya. Kailangan ko pa siyang itagilid para maisara yung cabinet. In terms of purpose, hindi lang siya shoe rack. Ginagamit din namin siyang console table na lalagyan ng mga decorative items or susi, mga humidifier. Since dalawa yung binili namin, yung isang shoe rack, ginagamit naman din namin patungan ng mga toy organizer ng anak namin. In terms of harmony, as in kapag nakikita ko siya, sobrang nahahappy yung heart ko. The Solihia design talaga, sobrang ganda. This is actually made of plastic, but the rest of the shoe rack is made out of wood. Tapos, ang dali-dali pa niyang ibukas-sara kasi meron siyang mechanism na you can tuck in yung mismong door doon sa taas. So, kapag nagre-reorganize ako ng mga shoes, mas madali for me na mag-ayos kasi the door is out of the way na. Tapos, magnet yung mechanism niya sa pag-close ng door. It really integrates well with our home aesthetically and usage-wise. Lastly is efficiency. This costs around 2,000 pesos and we've been using it for almost 2 years na. So for me talagang sulit na sulit namin yung 2,000 na yun. And to think na functional na nga siya, maganda pa siyang tignan. I think masusulit pa namin yung worth ng money namin for years to come kasi wala pa siyang signs of any damage or depreciation. Ang final rating ko is 98%. I would recommend this. I would have given this 100%. Kaso nga lang yun nga, kinapos ng konti yung depth for bigger shoes or chunkier shoes. Other than that, I love it so much. Tagal pa namin itong pinag-isipan kung bibilin namin. Hope this review helps you make intentional buying decisions. Find purpose in every purchase. FYI!